takes many different disciplines to develop a new product or improve an existing product or a process. Those disciplines have to work very close together. They have to have the respect of each other. They have to be able to challenge the status quo thinking. Collaboration is really the key.
Today we're taking delivery of the new line that builds the E-spring filter assemblies. It's the fourth line that we have on our assembly floor. We need this new line for capacity. We're going to be launching this water treatment system into China this year, and it's going to just increase our sales tremendously.
Last year we did just under 1 million filters. By 2013 we'll be doing 3 million.
No one thought that Amway, being a nutrition company, had the capabilities to do electrical engineering.
It always starts with design. You start out saying, here's what we want to do, here's what the water treatment system has to do. They'll start out with the ideal. You have to take the ideal and then move it into the practical, real world, so you bring in the people who are going to have their hands on it and are going to be assembling this thing.
So it was a whole new innovation of even how to set up that assembly line. We brought all the different disciplines together and all of us sat in a room, and what is the most efficient way to put that together?
We started out very rudimentary in terms of the production. We called it line 21 back then.
There was a lot more manual process.
It was more equipment, dispensing things, equipment that would help and assist in the hand assemblies.
At the time, it seemed like the pinnacle of our successes.
Back then we thought, well, it's very automated, but now when you look at it, it really isn't.
We knew what the bottlenecks were, so we came together and started discussing ideas.
There became this idea then of reducing space, of making efficiencies, of making higher quality products. The big thing that happened was that we introduced the lean principles of manufacturing into our culture.
Moving over to line 73, we added a robotic cell in there, and we didn't really have the funding available, so a lot of it was kind of pieced together.
And so the engineering side of it really made us have to work together and understand these different engineering functions.
We could see that creativity and where we wanted to go, and we were taking little baby steps on how to get there.
And the next thing you know, we're starting to make some headway, and the sales are starting to go up.
Line 73 proved that as a team we could introduce automation and be successful with it. That allowed us to move to the next step, which is to redesign the entire assembly process.
There was a team of people assembled from manufacturing, R&D, engineering, and quality. And we talked about some of the problems that we were having.
You know, we replaced 73 then with a robotic line that could place some of the parts extremely consistently and place the adhesive extremely consistently, and was significantly faster.
It's growing, and we're part of it.
Innovation can come from anywhere.
When people talk and you actually ask for somebody's opinion,
You bring your own expertise, your own experience, your own priorities, and you get listened to.
and if they have an idea to make it better and we act on it, it's pride for everyone.
There's a definite trust between manufacturing, engineering, QA, and R&D.
We believe that informed people are motivated people, and we believe that aligned people could not be stopped.
We have the need for even more capacity. So we installed our line 71 in late 2011. We've made all these little incremental changes that this new line 72 is, in fact, better than line 71. Some of this is feeding back into the older lines. 35 and a half.
Yeah, it's very helpful to have the assembly equipment right outside our doors.
Everybody's hearing the same story once, face to face, not over email, not over a phone call or conference call. They're here in the plant, seeing what's going on.
Since they have to do the job every day and they're sitting on that line, they, the manufacturing team, are the experts.
If they have a better way of doing it, we like to take those ideas and try and incorporate them.
Now the results then speak for themselves. I mean, from the time that line 21 started to where we're at today, there's been like 161% improvement. And our costs have gone down 62%. But you know, none of that stops us. It's just like, okay, thanks, great. you know, let's do some more.
Where we're trying to go is not a destination. It has to be a journey.
When a customer sees eSpring, they look at it as this product that delivers safe, great tasting water. When I look at it, I look at the creativity and the technologies that had to come together to deliver safe, great tasting water.
We believe we make the best product in the world.